Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to talk about some new features in Teak. Teak, if you don't know, is a place to save your inspirations, save any links you have, images, any text, anything really. So if you are a designer or a developer, you will go through lots of inspirations, lots of ideas, everything, and Teak is the perfect place to store it. So if you can see, as a designer, I have like lots of ideas, links, and everything. So I just store it here like this. And if I want to find something, I can just go in and type anything I want, or I can filter by images or text or um, even codes, anything that's easily accessible. I can go in and search for those things. And it has some good features, like if I open this image, it gives us an AI summary. It filters by, you can filter by color, you can filter by AI tags, and it gives us good visual view, imaginary grid of everything. You don't have to arrange anything, you can just go in and search for anything. You can just store it and search for it, because in the background we have AI tags tagging everything and categorizing it, so it's easier. You don't have to go in and store anything or categorize anything. So links, images, even color palettes, anything that you have, you can go ahead and store it here. It's fully free. You can try it out, and yeah, try it out and let me know if you have any comments, feature requests, or anything. The link will be in the description, so yeah, go ahead and try it out.